Yeah, yeah. Bring home, baby. I got you girl saying, bring home, baby. I got your girl saying, bring home, baby. Yeah. Her she got a thing for the nigga with that money. Her she run gang, so you better see it coming. And I heard she changed her name, got in some trouble, now she running from her problem like a runner. Back, you know I'm coming for that money. Now they part.
Nigga trying to record me and shit. Nigga gonna come in here with a verse and shit. What's wrong with you, man? Fuck you think this is, man? Burger King? How fuck you laughing so goddamn much too, man? Fuck wrong with your Jolly Rancher ass, man?
You have her?
In my eye.
Yeah.
You gonna get the fuck out there, baby.
Bro, I'm finna leave your ass on Cleveland Avenue, bro.
Fuck you mean you gonna leave me over there? Fuck you mean, bro? What you mean, bro? You gonna leave me over here? Man.
We get high, crazy blue, like St. Elmo's fire, love so sharp and flat that it's hard to know just where you're at. We get
Change, got a hand right, and a nigga can't take my eyes. Got a murder trouble, I beat the shit, cause a nigga tried to take my life. I'm a millionaire, born country boy. On right hand, man, got a chopper truck. Can't sell drugs, I'm serving boy. Make say, boy, I'm the golden boy. So the pack like low in my left. Hop in the pop in the jet. Chopping the shit, now you shot in the head. Rich boy, nigga, don't shit in the head.
They take all cars to Atlanta.
Man. Trying to tell you, bro. I'm trying to tell you, man.
What you trying to tell me, bro?
Do that, bro.
Don't do it, bro. Got the police yeah, bro. I'm gonna put gas in your car. What's up? That nigga Darian, bro. Hell, y'all. That nigga true. Hey, we going to Atlanta. Hey, what's up? Hold on. Hey, give me a big camera.
I ain't had time to run real hard. People going crazy, and my mama going crazy. We gon' leave now, the bitch better thank the Lord. All so hard when it came out of jail. Now we just sitting out with the dose up. Sipping on lean till I throw up. What you wanna do when you grow up? But the nigga might touch your well. That's boss in this out, you'll see.
How we doing, man? Rumor time, nigga. How we doing? All out, man.
Niggas keep trying to hold me back. Slow down, you drop the room. You spill my head. I'm big and black. So many times you hurt my neck. All these hoes from the all these hoes from the
Trinidad and Gucci Mane. Trinidad and Gucci Mane. Trinidad and Gucci Mane. Trinidad and Gucci Mane. Trinidad and Gucci Mane.
Them pussy niggas call me Trinidad. Them bad hoes call me T.O. I got a girlfriend in 96. Inside bitch in the back side. Pussy ball myself. Damn, who said pussy nigga? What you need me for a verse?
That nigga thirsty. He gonna be throwing up.
Bad bitches, they after me. On the block, money for rich hoes. Them broke hoes, be acting up. Gonna buy them rent, do something about it. Bar squad like hoorah. Real nigga come Gucci, but these hoes come Gucci.
Stripper pole, shit.
waffles. Bread and waffles, got that bread and waffle, hey. Bread and waffle, hey. I'm fucking that shit, got bread and waffles.
Yeah, take a picture of No, bro, that's a Christmas hat, bro.
I ain't even from USA. I ain't even from this shit. You know my little shit, I got a brain hat. Now this shit ain't gonna allow me and shit. This shit for a game, man. I'm not gonna pussy, man. Nigga lying and shit, man. Nigga sick of late.
Ah, bro, do it again.
Man, trying to tell you, bro. Do that, bro.
That nigga flipped straight over.
Damn, potato spin.
Like a winter pain. Dance. Tucci make her come. Hit it from the side like a motherfucking bass drum. Bands to make her dance. Bands to make her dance. All these trees rapping. And they ain't using man.
What's that on that beat? Oh. I said that I'ma ride for my motherfucking nigga. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I've been grinding that side out there with my niggas, and they ain't going in.
Hey, man. Hey.
My niggas at the hookah bar. At the hookah lounge, yeah, smoking a hookah, yeah, okay. And my niggas at the hookah. My niggas in that hookah bar, boy, you know we do it, boy, MG, boy. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm a girl in that bitch. John in that bitch on the hookah. You can barely see John, black as fuck. You can't see John. God damn.
To this shit.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Always tell stories about the man. Say I never struggled, wasn't hungry, yeah, I doubt it, nigga. I could turn your boy into the man. There ain't really much out here that's popping off without us, nigga. We just want the credit where it's due. I'ma worry about me, give a fuck about you, nigga.
My niggas in that bit turned up like what the fuck? Nigga in this shit.
Fuck all these motherfucking kids, man. Get the pussy, nigga. My nigga Udo picked it up. My nigga said that home, man. This shit is nothing, nigga.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, man. Yeah, nigga.
You already know, boy. You already MGS in this bitch. Hey, why not crank this shit on my nigga Marlo? Hold on.
But guess what? A nigga pull y'all bitch off, nigga bleeding in the eyes. All type of shit, nigga. Nigga, boy, they got the right.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
Go ahead, go get it, man. Well, let's put my ass in his face.
Beyonce eating ass and shit.
Is he eating her out?
What?
Who is that? Oh my goodness. That's my nigga. He on my sweater and shit. What the fuck?
That light.
Right.
Say that.
OG, join them outside. No ass on, I'm flat. And this one little fuck nigga who hating on you did something. Shit behind your back, but won't say shit in public.
Say that.
Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, they'll watch. Nigga, don't believe me, they'll watch. Don't believe me, they'll watch. Nigga, don't believe me, they'll watch. Don't believe me, they'll watch. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, they'll watch. Nigga, don't.
Angel.
Bruh, I'm tired of seeing these niggas with this ball, bro. I'm trying to see niggas with guns. HDR.
My main bitch, my main hoe ain't feeling me no more. No more.
Now my side bitch, my main bitch, my main hoe ain't feeling me no more. No more. Now my side bitch, my main bitch, my main hoe ain't feeling me no more. James, I said, fuck you, what's that shit now? Reinstated, might need a witness.
What's that called?
Let me say it again. These bitches crazy. Fuck the what? Now it's crazy. Fuck the twice. Now it's crazy. Put my partner on. He got a crazy man. Fuck
She rolling with it, she don't get this slow.
That new boy got new shoes, got new clothes, need new clothes, like old schools with true those. I'm too short, too clean for them photos. So please do not check those. My hands up and my eyes closed. I got hands on with my mouth open. My hands open, my hands open. She still going. Say, hey, bro, what you wanna do? Say, hey, bro, what you wanna do? We got bad bitches in the town of Brook, nigga, we the truth. They loving the crew. Now my side bitch, my main bitch, my main hoe ain't feeling me no more. No more. Now my side bitch, my main bitch, my main hoe.
Whack, 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 whack. Daddy get you whack, 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 whack. Daddy get you whack, whack. Oh, you know I whack your lad, right? Whack, whack. You know I whack your lad, right? Whack. Daddy get you whack.